Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Arya and this is how we celebrated our Eid. We went to Al Adha where they had fireworks and some shows arranged on Eid for all 3 days. By the time we reached there, the fireworks were about to start, so we waited in the drive-in cinema area. The firework display was superb, but Kunyu wasn't enjoying it. Kuttu, on the other hand, was very happy to see the display. After the fireworks, we decided to explore the place a bit and to see where all the shows were happening. We saw a farmer's market, but it was pretty crowded there, so we didn't go there. We decided to go to the play area where at least the kids could have some fun. Despite being hot and humid, the whole area was filled with people. Kuttu and Kunyu decided to go for the trampoline and had lots of fun on it. That was when we heard this. Meanwhile, my kids were busy playing. Kunyu has actually grown up. He was exploring and enjoying the playground on his own. He wasn't looking or caring to see his brother was nearby. That is Kunyu's representation of how dizzy the game was. Kuttu, on the other hand, loved this merry-go-round. We then decided to check out the skate park. Here mostly bigger boys were skating around. That was when few boys told us that some of their friends were very good in this and asked us to check them out. And yeah, they are pretty good. This musical show was very nice and I enjoyed it a lot. We then decided to see what was there in the farmers market, as a lot of the crowd had moved away from that place. A lot of fruits and vegetables were available there. Kunyu saw a lot of deers standing there to drink water, so he wanted to go and see them. But his main intention was to get into the water to have a splash, but Mama didn't allow it and he wasn't pleased with it. Kuttu, on the other hand, wanted to enjoy the water fountain. Even though we told him that he didn't have a spare dress, he said it was okay and he would sit in his wet clothes. After that, we went straight home, changed Kutu's clothes, and then went for dinner. We have been meaning to check out this restaurant for some time now, so we went there for this Eid. What is Eid without some biryani? So we had biryani, some chettinad chicken curry, and their special parota. So that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed this small Eid vlog. Do subscribe to watch more videos, give us a like and share it with your loved ones. Bye.